Delhi is a mega city and capital of India. Resurrection of Delhi's biodiversity is a challenge. It has two major landforms, the river Yamuna and its vast floodplain, and Aravalli Hills ranges known as Delhi Ridge. The river Yamuna basin used to harbour grasslands, floodplain forests, wetland ecosystems about 100 years ago, and the Aravalli harbours dry deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest ecosystems much before the British shifted the imperial capital from Kolkata to Delhi. Due to rapid urbanization and expansion of city and population explosion, there is loss of biodiversity, locally extinction of species like Tylophora asthmatica and Ceropegia bulbosa in wild. Now, the challenge is how to restore the past glory, which enhances the quality of life in Delhi through amelioration environment and other ecological services and goods. With these objectives, Delhi Development Authority has taken up conservation of biodiversity through establishing network of biodiversity parks with conservation, education and cultural values for posterity. Yamuna and Aravalli Biodiversity Park are being developed by a team of scientists working under Delhi Biodiversity Foundation funded by DDA. Yamuna Biodiversity Park, located in the upstream of Wazirabad Reservoir, where soil was sodic. Aravalli Biodiversity Park, located in a highly degraded landscape, fragmented with maximum area occupied by moram and clay mines of different depths and shapes. Prior to the development of Yamuna Biodiversity Park, only salt-loving bushes such as Sueda fruticosa, Tamarix aphylla and Desmostacia were abundant, and silted wetlands used to harbour typha and phragmites with few species of flora and fauna. The area of Aravalli Biodiversity Park was occupied by Vilayati kikar, Prosopis juliflora. This area used to support a very few species of plants, birds, reptiles and butterflies. Both the sides are surrounded by human habitation. Challenges at the site of Yamuna Biodiversity Park were to overcome salinity of soils, to reconstruct wetlands and to establish floodplain grassland and forest communities. In Aravalli Biodiversity Park, challenges were to remove invasive species, to bring back mosaic of native Aravalli forest and harvest water. Today, 457 acres Yamuna Biodiversity Park supports luxuriant forest communities of Yamuna River Basin and grassland. The wetlands were dug and soil was used for making mounds of different shapes and sizes. These mounds were used for developing different forest communities of river basin. The biologically productive wetland receives thousands of migratory birds. And support a breeding population of one of the near threatened bird species, darter. Magnificent red-crested pochard, a Siberian duck, finds its home only in Yamuna Biodiversity Park in Delhi NCR region. A wetland of 100 acres created in the active flood zone impounds substantial amount of flood water, will be home for many storks, cranes and ducks soon. A herbal garden and fruit-yielding species conservatory have also been developed. Today, Aravali Biodiversity Park spreads over an area of 692 acres, supports many forest communities and grasslands, native of Aravali Hills ranges. Some mine voids have been used for harvesting rainwater, fernery, orchidarium, developed in 2 separate pits, a first of its kind in Delhi. A butterfly conservatory harbors more than 90 species of butterflies of Delhi region. Yamuna Biodiversity Park support mammals such as civet, wild pigs, mongoose and Indian hare, besides as many as 9 species of snakes and over 190 species of birds. Whereas in the Aravali Biodiversity Park, big mammals such as jackals, nilgai, porcupines and plenty of hares, besides as many as 185 bird species. And 17 reptilian species. The biodiversity parks are unique urban landscapes, first of its kind, developed as a place to have conservation, education, and recreational values, and serve as repositories of vanishing flora and fauna. Today, both Yamuna and Aravali Biodiversity Parks conserve 2,500 species of native flora and fauna of Delhi in the form of biotic communities. The Yamuna Biodiversity Park has already been dedicated to Delhi citizens and to the nation by the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Shri Tejendra Khanna.